So this is the Jabra GN Elite 65E headphone set. Now this has got a free microphone technology, customize your music. It's got active noise cancellation, 2-year dust and water resistant warranty, up to 8 hours of battery using ANC and voice assistant enabled. It also works with Apple and Android products. As you can see, this box is pretty sleek. So kudos to Jabra for this, and this is what you get when as soon as you open it. It will look welcome to superior sound. And you've got the headphones there, and then you just move that packaging in there. Then you've got the 2 in-ear buds, and then you've got this hard rubber band, and then soft rubber at the outskirts, and all your function or media buttons on the side. And if we pull the tab up, which comes up nicely, we'll have a look at that in one sec. And we've got the manual, and obviously the warranty, warning, declaration, and all that sort of stuff all in there. And then get this nice pad. Oh God, it smells strong. And then you get like all your in-ear buds. They're in a little packet, quite sealed. That's pretty weird. I've never seen this before. So they're sealed up, so as soon as you open them, they're open. Then you get the little cable as well, and this is obviously to charge your in-ear buds, or the Jabra E65's little cable. And this is a micro USB cable. Then you've got a nice big pouch, not too big, but definitely not too small to put in your coat pocket, or even in your pocket. It's got a Jabra logo on there, and a nice firm zip to zip it all up. So this review is going to be basically talking about the audio sound and whether we're going to get nice bass, nice highs, crisp audio basically. Is it comfortable? Does it stay in the ears? Not going to talk about the battery or anything like that because we already know about the battery life. Probably do like a review down the line and talk about like how good the battery is or how not good the battery is. But this is just about the aesthetics and the feel and the sound. That's the main thing for me today. So it comes with earbuds already on there, or earbud tips, and it's got these little bits that stick to the side of your head. They don't actually stick to the side of your head, but what it is that these feel like skin, but it's just, it does actually feel like skin actually. It feels horrible, but like quite stiff, and it sticks to your ears, and that means you can run about. It's like shock absorbers really. So let's get it all out anyway, and let's have a quick closer inspection. But yeah, chuck that over there. So this band is very hard at the top. It's like a very hard plastic. Then as it fades out, like a transition, it kind of gets really soft, but not too soft. But this bit's hard for the background of the neck piece, and this will rest on the back. It says Jabra at the back of the actual neck plate and the necklace of itself. So this has also got a micro USB port there, so you can obviously connect it and charge it. I guess this is where all the magic is, but it's really nice and solid, and it will fit comfortable in the back of the neck, and then it gets soft up to the round of the side of the neck, so it shouldn't be too annoying. I've seen other in-ear buds that have got this sort of design, and like this bit it's kind of a bit annoying, but this is not too bad because it's got the multifunctional buttons on the side there. So you're going to have skip forward, track back, play and pause, answer call, hang up. I think that's all you can do on it actually, if I remember rightly. It's got a little silver band there, and then it's got another band on the side here. And you've got the Bluetooth indicator there, and a button there to activate Bluetooth. So I'm guessing Bluetooth's on this side and the multimedia functions on this side. And then the microphone is down here, and it looks like it's got a metal grill on the front there. It's got a flat cable. It's like detangle free, but I swear it was tangled just a second ago. Like it keeps tangling with these little bits here, this little skin bits. But yeah, this feels really soft actually. It's got a nice little Jabra logo on the side there. The quality looks great quality. To be honest with you, these are like £179, so I hope the quality is very good. It's got little air holes, so I'm guessing that's where the audio will be. It's kind of like a mini open back to leak a little bit sound, to give you a better sound stage of listening. It looks like that on both sides, so I'm hoping that's what it is. Now, before I test this out, I'm gonna make sure that I've got the smallest in-ear buds that I can find. And I don't, but let me just see if I can put this in. Oh, this is pretty cool. So this is magnetic as well. So if I put this on the right way, so it'll probably be this way around. And when I'm not using it, you close them together. And they're magnetic, and then open them up. That's pretty cool. Now I just got to find out which ear's ear, which ear is the right and which ear is the left. Right, so this is the right ear and this is the left ear. That is pretty cool. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up what's it called, Spotify, and let's have a little listen to some music real quickly. I don't know why I'm doing that. I could just go like that. Alright. So I'm going to have to turn these on actually before I can even do it. So there's my volume thing. I'll put these into my ears. Battery medium ANC. The whole necklace vibrates. That's absolutely nuts. Right, so now I'm going to connect to Bluetooth. And as I'm pressing it, I can hear clicking. Oh, I can hear the noise cancellation. That is ridiculously good. Right, I'm going to turn that off again. Whoa, that is good. That is good. Every time I turn it on, it's like, vroom, battery medium, ANC on. Oh, I feel like I'm on an airplane. Oh, what's that? Hello? I can hear my own voice. I can hear the sound around me. Oh, now it's completely cut off. Oh, that is cool. But I want to connect it to my phone. So I'm going to have a look at the book because this is pretty cool. So it should be the middle button that I press to turn it on. Hold it down 3 seconds. That turns off. Hold for 3 seconds. To connect, go to your mobile phone and select the Jabra Connect. Oh my gosh, this literally talks in my ear. So now I'm going to go to settings really quick. Alright, it's telling me again. Woo! Pairing. Right, and it cuts off the woman. Oh, it vibrates around my neck. Okay. Now let's turn this bad boy up. Now we're gonna check this out. We'll check this out for phone calls as well. Oh, it's so weird. It's like I'm on an aeroplane. Right, let's turn this up. We normally test everything at full volume, so let's go. Well, hopefully it doesn't block my ears. You can turn ANC on or off while you've got the music on. Hello, how you doing? Yeah. What do you think? Do I sound like I'm talking on my phone, or does it sound like I'm talking on earphones? Sounds like I'm talking on my phone, so proper crystal clear. Did you just drop your phone? Sounds good, yeah? What do you mean? It's not a crystal clear? What happened then? Is it clear now? Oh, right. I think I just dropped down in reception. Oh yeah, that's better now, isn't it? Oh, wicked. Alright then, I'm going now. I only wanted to find out what he sounded like. Oh, hang on. I need to try one more thing. Where is it? Is it that one? Can you hear me? Haha, you can't hear me, can you? Can you hear me now? Right, hang on 1 second. What does that sound like now? The same, good. Alright then. I'm off. Thanks, see you later, bye bye. Adios amigos. These sound awesome! They sound wicked. So these Jabra E65s, I would highly recommend them. And the reason I say highly recommend them, the ANC you can have on and off, the sound quality of just speaking to someone on the actual, oh, hang on. I think I just knocked my mic then. Hang on 1 second. These are awesome. I highly recommend these. The E65 Elites by Jabra, definitely recommend them. They feel really comfortable. They're comfortable in the ears. The sound quality, the bass, you get crispy highs. The highs are so clean. It was amazing. Even with rock music, you could listen to everything all at the same time. All like the cymbals, the drums, the bass, the vocals, everything all at the same time. It's got a wide sound stage. It's awesome. I didn't think these would be that good. I didn't think they were going to be what I'm thinking they are now. But yeah, I just tried them out on my Galaxy Note 8, rung someone, and I turned the ANC on and off, and it sounded exactly the same, crystal clear. They said it sounded like I was talking on my phone, and it didn't say it sounded anything like I was talking through some earbuds. But yeah, they feel comfortable, and I do like them. I think they're definitely, I highly recommend them, definitely. You need to go and try them out, especially when they've got all these earbuds that fit everyone's ears as well. And I could use this for the gym, to be honest with you, because it's got the little suspension, absorption or absorption, whatever, connects to your ears, but it's like it keeps it from doing anything, like any damage to your ear. It just feels nice. Comfortable, respectable, aesthetically looking. I don't really know, I haven't really looked at it, but from your point of view, you're looking at me on the camera. What do you think? Do you think these look nice on camera, or, well, actually leave it in the comments down below. I'll leave a link down below where you can buy these, because I highly recommend them. Don't bother asking me if they're worth buying. Buy them. Definitely 100% buy them. I've tried out so many headphones and in-ear buds, and these are great. And Jabra know what they're doing. So yeah, thumbs up to that company, and subscribe to this channel if you liked it. Look on Instagram, Facebook, and all that sort of stuff, because I'm everywhere. And yeah, if you want to ask any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. And like this video if you liked it, and dislike if you dislike it. But I'll see you next one. Thanks for watching.